Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm here to explain you about WTK.com reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not, and if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including handbags of different brands, scarves and silks, belts, fashion jewelry, and men collection including bags and belts. And you can take a look at the homepage of this website. And guys, if you want to visit the product category list, then you need to visit the menu option button and you can find your desired options by visiting the particular product category. You can see the prices of these offerings are pretty high. Now let's check out the payment information of this website. So guys, I'm not able to view any payment info section available on the website, which is not a good sign. They have not mentioned payment information. Now let's take a look at the shipping policy of this website. So guys, you can see no shipping policies available on this website, which is again a negative sign. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this site, this particular domain was created on 14th of December 2020. And this site is 14 days old, guys. And according to our study, we have found that this particular domain is registered for 1 year only. Now let's move on to the About Us section of this website. So you can see no About Us section is available on this website. So this is again a negative sign. And talking about contact details, I'm not able to view any contact detail section, which is a red high alert. I'm not able to find the contact details of this particular website. And guys, talking about social media presence, they have provided one social media icon, which is Instagram, but when you will click the particular social media icon, you will be redirected to the product category list of the particular website. So this is not a good sign here and shows that the website may be suspicious. Apart from that, I'm not able to view the return policy of this website. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And I would like to inform you all that the site has an unknown trustworthiness score, and the trust index score of this site is 2%, guys, which is really very bad. And talking about TTK.com reviews, we have found no customer reviews about this site on the internet. So this is again a red high alert that define its weakness. And guys, the site has no online presence and is not much popular online. Apart from that, the website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all, as this is a newly launched website. So guys, we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website. And yes, in the final conclusion, I would say the website appears to be scam, as absence of contact details, absence of social media presence, zero security measures, fake information, low traffic score, poor designer website, and unavailability of company's complete information led to believe us that it is a suspicious site and possibly a scam. Guys, stay away from such type of scam websites, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.